Guys, so first thing first, we're gonna start off by mixing all of our ingredients together for the pico de gallo. So you have here tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a little bit of serrano peppers with some lemon juice and a half teaspoon of salt. Okay, so once we mix all the ingredients together, just go ahead and put it inside your cooler and let it chill, let it chill for about 30 minutes. Now for the quesadilla filling, I'll be using shrimp, peppers, onions, a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, a little spice it up, cayenne pepper, not too much. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix everything together. All right, so now we're gonna transfer this over to the saute pan, cook it for like 5 minutes, and then we're gonna drop it inside of the actual flour tortilla, mixed with the cheese and all that good stuff. All right, so now I'm about to add my shrimp and peppers, onions. But first, you want to make sure your butter is hot, melted butter. Yep, it's hot, so go ahead and add my mixture. And just let it cook for at least 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. All right, as you can see, it's almost ready. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. We'll mix it together. You can see the shrimp is cooked, ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove off. All right, so the next thing you want to do is get your flour tortilla ready. Add some cheese, and then we're gonna go ahead and add my shrimp, onion, and pepper mixture. You want to pour all that juice. Okay, so the next thing you want to do with your tortilla is, once you add all the ingredients, just go ahead and fold it over and press it down a little. Now we're going to add the tortilla on this griddle. Press it down. Okay guys, so my quesadilla is basically done. It's been cooking for what? I'll say about 3 minutes. It's nice and crispy, ready to go. Cheese is already melted on the inside, so it's done. All right, so you want to slice the quesadilla into 4 individual slices. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it on the plate. All right, so now I'm just gonna add the quesadilla to the plate, just to make it look a little bit pretty, Now I'll add the pico de gallo in the middle for the final stage, and then we're good to go. Okay guys, pico de gallo in the middle, and we're good to go. Let me see it, but you let me see it. You won't let me be.